On my mama, man, size 16 is hard to cop. It's Bo Kicks.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bo Kicks. Back with another video here. One of my sons seem like they doing something, I don't know. Small hiatus once again. My content ain't been flowing like that, but you know, I'm the guy without a plug. I'm the guy who has to wait for shipping because of my size, and that's okay though, man. I like watching you guys in between time, so we're gonna get into this box here. While I'm opening, I guess I'll plug SHPN, the Sneakerhead Podcasting Network. You can check that out by going and subscribing to my boy King's 23 Kicks on his page. All links always when I talk about these guys will be in the description. This weekend, I'm not sure if we have a special guest, but people are always welcome to drop in, comment on in the chat, or you know, ask for the link so y'all can pop up and go around the horn with us. You know, the PTI, the around the horn segment. What else? We're working on a SHPN top 10. Get this out of here. Set this here like this, I guess. Most of y'all know we have no use for the box. We're gonna have to get it up out of there. This thing is gone. Alright, and standard Jordan 12 box. I think the breads also came in these, but with the Nike check on the top here. Size 16 is hard to cop. I don't know if y'all can see that well, but it is hard to cop, for me at least. Yeah, we don't go worry too much about this box or this paper. I'm gonna pull these shoes out. I was pretty juiced to get these. I did watch a lot of reviews, a lot of you guys' reviews on these. The general consensus seems to be that a little flaw right there. That's my daughter. But the general consensus seems to be that, as I look at them, the leather isn't good. I don't know if it seemed like people just wanted that glossy ass, you know, Bread 12 Flu Game leather. I'm not mad at these. It's not super distracting. It's not like I can't deal with this. I kind of like them. I like the black upper on the 12. Is this pair flawless? No, it's not. And let's get into it. Here you go here. Bam, bam, bam. God damn, 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 damn. Jordan 12 University Gold. Jordan 12 Batman. Reckless Gang. Jordan 12. Your boy alias Missouri's. Jordan 12 Wu-Tang Clan Killer Bees. Taylor Gang. Jordan 12 Wiz Khalifa's. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Jordan 12 P-Towns. Shout out P-Town. Jordan 12 Bumblebees. Roll out. Jordan 12 Mustard on a Beat Ho. Jordan 12 Simpsons. I know it's kind of weird. Anyways, these are fire to me. You know what I mean? Sometimes, man, and actually often with me, because if a colorway is fire, man, I'm not skipping out on it, man. Because at the end of the day, when they say like, well, the quality, what you need Corinthian leather to put on your feet, bro? Serious? you need like the softest leather possible to put on your feet. We buy shoes to rock and look dope, period. So the leather quality, if the shoe is appealing to you visually, that's number one. Comfort can be like one of those big, huge ratings over like the materials, right? And materials are dope. Hey man, that's like icing on the cake, materials. But the color blocking, how the shoe looks visually, and comfort should be all the features you really need to decide if you want to pick the shoe up or not. You know, icing on a cake is when they have super dope materials used on the shoes. Let's get into it. Bottom of the sole, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these because everybody's already reviewed it. Black pods here with the traction. What's this? Carbon fiber or whatever it is. I don't know. Translucent yellow. Y'all heard it all before. Moving into the midsole. A little black on the back of the heel here. Following around to this mud guard that leads up close to the upper. That's a nice yellow there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I showed it before, but yeah. Bam. Bam. This is the black midsole. The upper, got the ray stitching, kind of looking like they say the Japan or Japanese flag, you know, with the sun and the rays. Bam. Y'all know that. Moving over to the toe box. The mud guard still reaching up to the tip of the toe. Black leather in a matte finish. The tongue with a gloss finish. Who cares? 3 and 2. 23 together, right? Rope laces. Dope. The medial, similar to the other side, but a little different. Hard to get on the camera, but if you see back there, it does have a little flaw right there where it's overcut on that panel. Kind of right there where this yellow Jumpman tab is. It doesn't say it on that side, but on the other side, the Jumpman tab. I'm not tripping. Back of the shoe, the 23. You know, and as always, quality inspired by the greatest player in the game. You know, Jordan. I do like this yellow square right there with the Jumpman in on the pull tab. That is dope to me. The tab overall looks clean. Fire. Nice stitched Jumpman here too. That's fire too. The insole is all black with the university gold. Jumpman. What's more to say about it? You know what I mean? Fire pair. To me, I had to have them. I like when the colorways look like this, man. I really do. That's all I gotta say about it, man. To the next one. Hopefully the B-roll is screaming for y'all, but let's be real, man. I don't know how people didn't like it, man. This blocking, man, to me, my Gammas is one of my grill. Gamma 12s, one of my grills. I love that shoe, and it doesn't even have leather on it. It has the suede up top, and I think it's one of the dopest 12s, man. I'm not mad. I'm looking up there now, and you know, what was it? The Royal uniform. What was it? Royal something blue. Royal blue 12s or whatever. Fire. Come on, Flu Games fire, bro. Like, it's a dope 12. If you like 12s at all, man, you should have grabbed it for that reason alone. Not every 12 is gonna have like the most plush. You know, the matte finish doesn't bother me. It is kind of weird that they switched it up, and whatever, man. Fire pair of 12s. I'm glad to add them to the collection. A couple flaws here and there, but I ain't mad. Nothing's ever really perfect. Well, sometimes. Until the next one, y'all. It's your boy Case, and I'm gonna get up out of here. We